Hey everyone, welcome back to the podcast. I'm Sarah, and as always, I've got my co host John here with me. How are you doing today, John?
Hey Sarah, I'm doing great, thanks. I'm really pumped about our topic today. It's something that can really make a difference for homeowners.
Absolutely. We're diving into the world of soft washing today. Who knew cleaning could be this exciting, right?
Right? So for those just tuning in, soft washing is this amazing cleaning method that uses low-pressure water and special solutions. It's perfect for getting rid of dirt, algae, and gunk without damaging your home.
That sounds super important, especially for places with delicate surfaces. I can't believe how many people in Glenmoore are hopping on this trend to keep their homes looking fresh.
Exactly. And you know what I love? It reaches all those nooks and crannies that traditional cleaning methods miss. Plus, it's eco-friendly, so you can keep your house clean without worrying about the environment.
And it's not just about looks, right? It actually helps to prevent future issues like mold and mildew. So it's a win-win.
Totally. And for folks thinking about selling their homes, soft washing can really boost curb appeal. First impressions matter, folks.
For sure. So if anyone wants to try this out, they should definitely reach out to Housewash PA. Scheduling is super easy, and they'll take care of everything.
Yeah, just a few simple steps and you're on your way to a sparkling, clean home. It really is that simple.
All right, everyone, that wraps up our quick chat on soft washing. If you're in Glenmore, think about giving it a go.
Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Catch you next time.